Good morning, children. So again back to the class. See students, what happened in last class? What happened in last class? This lesson. What is that first lesson? What is this lesson name? First lesson name? Red Sloppity Leaves. This lesson is yesterday over. Yes, no students? First lesson number first. Red Sloppity Leaves. This lesson is over. So today again I repeated this lesson. Okay? Just story. Understand? So this is darkness. I told no first? Okay. So turn the page. See? Listen to me students. Victor, a young boy, was riding his bike along an old road and lost his way. He stopped and looked around to find his way back. How he wished he had brought a friend along. Victor is a young boy. Victor riding a bike and lost his way. It began to rain and he gets wet. See. Just then it began to rain. It began to rain. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away. But it continued to rain heavily and he became wet. His body became numb in the cold rain. Then it began to thunder. Thunder means what I told? Thunder means, tell me, what is the thunder meaning? The thunder is loud sound from the sky. The thunder is loud sound from the sky that came after lighting. Came after lighting. This is thunder meaning. Yes. What is the thunder meaning, students? The thunder is loud sound from the sky that came after lighting. After came lighting. This is the thunder. He saw a dingy big red house and ran on to the porch. Porch means, what is the porch means, students? A small area at entrance to the building. What is the porch means? See, a small area at entrance to a building. See there, how no? Entrance to the building. Yes. The wind began to howl and blew so hard that it drove the rain on to the porch, soaking Victor even more. The wind had blown open the house door, so he went inside to get out of the rain. The house was very large and thought it was abandoned. Abandoned means, what is the meaning of abandoned, students? Tell me. Abandoned. Abandoned means dark, dirty house. Dark and dirty house. Dirty and full of cobwebs. It kept Victor dry. Abandoned means it there. Dark and dirty house. See there. What happened in this para? Tell me. When closed the door, he could hear the sound. What is the sound? Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers? Victor could have on the doors was sound. Yes. In the downside, see, he saw a dingy. Dingy means dark and dirty big house and red house. Porch means a small area at entrance at the building. A small area. There have no? See this picture? The small area at the entrance in the building. Entrance in the full building. So next, a big gust of wind blew in the door and then back out again, slamming in the door shut. Victor tried to open the door, but the rain had caused the door to swell and he could not open it. See what happened there? So what happened? Again, so use dust of the wheel. Again and door gets shut and that he could not open the door because that used dust of the wind the doors, yes, slamming, and it catches the door and Victor could not open it. Victor could not open it because the door was full dirty, yes. Just then he heard a voice call out, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" So what happened there? What happened there? See. Do you know? Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? Next to the door was a large green hairy monster. Monster means ugly creatures. Say, there are no monsters. Yes? Monster means who there? Ugly creature. With huge red lips, pointed fangs and gangly legs and arms with my very long green fingernails. Victor panicked and ran down the hall. The monster followed. So what happened there? Monster means there ugly creatures. So this picture is there na? This is monster. So this is monster. He had a green hairs monster and completely his body is full green. He had a huge red lips. See there, huge red lips and painted fangs with the pointed fangs. So pointed fang means full teeth is very sharp in front of the mouth. Two sharp teeth in front of the mouth. He had very green fingernails. See there. See this picture. He had a very green fingernails and gangly legs. So when Victor saw, he got panicked and he started running the hall. So again the Victor is very panicked and started running. Again he heard the monster say, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" As he followed him down the hall, Victor ran up some stairs at the end of the hall and the monster followed him. Again the monster is saying, "Do you know with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" So again he followed him down the hall. The monster is followed to Victor. The monster was getting closer and Victor heard a monster says louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Again the monster is saying, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor ran away from monster down the hall at the top of the stairs and into a room at the end of the hall, closing the door behind him. But he heard loud footsteps coming down the hall and he had a run into a room which had neither windows nor other doors. So he hid in a big cupboard in the room. So what did Victor again? As Victor is running, where the Victor is running, monster also followed him, and it was some word saying, "Do you know what I do with red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" So what happened to Victor? Where does try to move out, escape from this here monster. So what did Victor do again? As he knew that the monster was followed him, Victor ran down the hall and he shut the door. The Victor is shut the door. See this picture. Shut the door. So he went to the room. He couldn't see, there is no wind. So what did Victor see? He saw a big cupboard. See there. Victor saw a big cupboard. This is the cupboard. The Victor find in a door and he tried to fit himself in the cupboard. So next The room door is creaked. Open and again he heard a monster saying even louder, Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? So again, the monster is saying, Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? So Victor is very shocked as he replied with fear, No. The monster is said, Then I will show you. So monster is show again, Then I will show you. So what he show? See, blah 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 means. So as knew that monster was coming to him, what did Victor do? Victor tried to get himself and fit himself. So again he closed the Victor's cupboard, but he tried to himself. So last the monster is said, Then I will show you. Blah 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 means what I told in last class. See there. See this picture, they doing the fingers to put the fingers to your lips and turns them closes your lips, will you make a burr sound. We have to try it in your cross your eyes. So your eyes is full cross when you do this, if you can. See there, that like. See student, cross your eyes and fingers to your lips. Fingers to your lips and stump them, close your lips, will you make a blur sound. What sound there? Blur sound. This should result in the desert silly effect, but don't do this too often. Okay students, don't do in this often, this type, that understand? Okay. So next, see students, next this lesson, this lesson is understand no? Where is this lesson? Okay, so we have to write, dear students, take your notebook and put the lesson name and write down the new words, hard words. Write down the hard words. What is the lesson name? Lesson number 1, red sloppy. Write down fast. Sloppy lips. Yes, what is the lesson name? Red sloppy lips. Write down. Hard words. Dear students, we have to read it spellings with. Okay, spellings with read and write. So first one, see, write down the sloppy lips. SLOPPITY. Write down SLOPPITY. Sloppy. Read and write, dear students. And brought. BROUGHT. Brought spelling. BROUGHT. Brought. Third one, jacket spelling. Jacket. 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 Next, continued. Write down in continued spelling. CONTINUED. So read once again. CONTINUED. Continued. Thunder. 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 Already I told na thunder meaning. What is the thunder meaning? The thunder is loud sound from the sky and often lighting. After come the lightings. Yes. Thunder. Quickly. Sixth one. Quickly spelling right. QUICKLY. 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 Write down students. Read and write. and write properly. Quickly, quickly. Dingy. Dingy means dark and dirty. Dingy. 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 Porch. Porch. Porch means the small area at the entrance to the building. Very small area in the entrance to the building. And ninth one. Write down. Abandoned. Abandoned. Abandoned means, what I told, abandoned means left and no longer wanted, use or needed. Abandoned means. Write down, students, neatly. Abandoned. Abandoned. Not used that. Abandoned means the house was not used on the time. The house is not used on the time. Abandoned means. Over. Next, 10th one. Slamming. 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 Monster. 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 Monster means, see your reader, that picture have no green color ugly creature is monster. Means the hair is full, the body of hair is full, green, and legs and arms with very long and green fingernails. Yes, no? Monster. And 12 one. Panicked. Panicked. The Victor is very panicked when he saw that monster. The Victor is very full panicked.